Hey, welcome to this video. So yes, the gelatin trick has been getting a lot of attention lately, but here's something important most people don't mention. This trick isn't about gelatin by itself. It's about how a daily ritual fits into a routine that supports a lighter body pattern over time. A lot of videos just repeat the same thing without explaining the real purpose behind it. That's why many people get confused or think it's just another trend. The reason this works for so many people is because it's simple, natural, and easy to include consistently without extreme rules or complicated steps. If you want to understand how this gelatin trick is meant to be used and why people are following it as part of their daily routine, you can check the official source safely. If you want to see how the gelatin trick works within a routine and understand the whole context behind this method, official access is in the video description and the first pinned comment, allowing you to watch safely and draw your own conclusions. I recommend watching while the material is still available, because detailed explanations like this are usually only accessible for a limited time.